Hello and welcome to Paradise. Well, the city of Southend on Sea at least anyway. For those of you that don't know me, my name is John Northwood and I'm an agent within the interiors sector, and today I'm going to quickly give you an overview of one of my brands, which is Nene Valley Leather. Just go through the sampling with you, give you a little bit of information, and if you do see anything there that you feel is of an interest to you and could be a benefit to your business, then please do get in touch with me. For reference, I do only cover the area of East Anglia and the southeast, so anything outside of that area you're welcome to get in touch, but I would have to refer you to the office for somebody else to get in touch with you. So without further ado, let's go and take a look. So Nene Valley Leather are a Northamptonshire based company. They've been going since around 2016, but Daniel, the managing director of the company, has been in the industry for over 30 years, so he's got a wealth of knowledge and understanding of the leather market. All the hides are imported from Italy. We've got extensive stocks, so you've got no problem with import duties or additional taxes on the product because they are all UK stocked. We've got various grades of leather, as you will see when I get to it, but this particular folder that you're looking at now is it's an architectural stroke interior designer folder which we give out to our clients. It's a folder which is packed full of information. We've got these individual information cards on all the collections. When you open it up, you've got a little bit of information about it with the specifications. Then you've got the colour chart with a little feeler sample, and from this you can order additional samples depending on your project if you want to see another colour or a slightly larger piece. And again, on the back you've got all the information about that particular range and all the technical information. So these packs are readily available that we send out to interior designers and architect practices, so they're a nice little pack to keep on your shelf or keep on your desk as a referral for you to be able to use as a specification guide. Okay, so as you can see, we've got an extensive range of leathers that we do. I believe there's 20 ranges, all UK stock and all available for immediate delivery. If there is anything out of stock or we haven't got sufficient hides for what you need for your project, you normally don't have to wait any longer than 2 weeks. Because they're UK stock, there's no import duties or additional taxes on our products, and we do also offer a 60-day return on any unused and undamaged hides. So we always do suggest that if you are working on a project, to ensure you get the same dye batch, is that you over order rather than under order, and like I say, we'll take it back free of charge within 60 days. Now if you do come up short and find you're needing an additional hide or additional 2 hides, everything that is stocked is batched. So if we have the same batch in from the original order, then that will take priority and be sent to you to fulfill your order. It isn't always possible because sometimes you may take the last few hides that we've got of that particular batch, but wherever we can, we'll always batch to try and accommodate you. So I won't spend too much time going through all the collections, but just to give you a brief overview, we've got pigmented, aniline, semi-aniline, waxed and oiled hides, and our hides are suitable for domestic and commercial contract work. We also got a couple of ranges that are suitable for the automotive section and also marine. So if you do power boats and things like that and you want them fitted out with leather, we can accommodate you for that as well. And also for workspace, so if you are a office fit out company or an office furniture manufacturer and you're looking for hide, then we can help you with that as well. The company's got a wealth of knowledge and we can always come up with something that would be suitable for your project. So these swatches are things that we normally give out to our retail clients, our upholsterers, and obviously our commercial manufacturers, because tend to find that swatches work better in a working environment than the A4 folders that I've just shown you. So as I say, we've got an extensive range, all qualities, all different colours. So there's plenty for you to choose from. We do this one, which is the antique rub off. So we can cater for anybody. We've got smooth hides, luxury hides, nubuck, which is really luxurious. That's the Tribe, that's the Rancho, and that's the nubuck, all from the same family. The nubuck is the more luxurious out of the three. So as you can see, I mean, this collection here, the Florence, I mean, that is such an extensive range of colours within that range. So if there is anything here that is of an interest to you, you would like a visit, you would like further information, then please get in touch with me. Be happy to help at any time. We're always looking for new clients to add to our portfolio. We offer an excellent service. Prices are very, very competitive, and they are UK stock, so we can more or less deliver immediately on any orders that are placed. Anything that is out of stock, we've always got a back order and we can generally fulfill any orders within 14 days. So there we have it. And just to help you further, on the Nene Valley website, you will be able to find fact sheets. So I will provide a link below which will take you directly to that page. And from there you can navigate around the website, see the collections, and find out other information that may be useful for you. Well, although brief, I hope you found it useful. But if you do require any further information, then please do not hesitate to get in touch with me. I'll put all my information in the link below. So please get in touch if you feel that you could benefit from the Nene Valley Leather ranges. So from me, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to help boost my channel. If you could click like and also subscribe to the channel, then we can start hitting a wider audience with the information that I'm giving out. So thanks very much for watching, and it won't be long before the next one's out. All the best. Thank you.